Celestial part.
All right, here we go. Last Epic Universe package has arrived. This is take 2 because I didn't have my tooth in when I just did this. I'm not going to show you that video, but it got a lot of laughter in here, but my tooth is in now. So, if you didn't know, I had some dental surgery, so I'm missing a tooth and getting an implant. It's a long story, but we got our last thing. What's in here? Open this up, Oliver. What's in it?
It's a medallion for one of the Epic Universe parks.
Which park is it? What does it say?
The Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
The Wizarding World of Harry Potter. What? It says
explore multiple eras of the Wizarding World. Discover the new wonders that await in your final portal. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Ministry of Magic.
The Ministry of Magic, and it came with this. Here, let's see what does the medallion look like? Here's the medallion. That's pretty cool. So I think the hand is at the top of the portal. Like when you're gonna walk through the portal, there's a hand holding a wand at the top of the portal.
Okay, so it just goes in the top.
Goes in there. Puts it back in. That's all right. There it is. Snaps in. And we got it. This is it. It is complete now. The Chronos is complete. Epic Universe. I will say this is one of the cooler theme park teaser campaigns ever. To get this, I mean, this thing is huge, it's heavy, and it was fun for us to like get the medallions coming in every couple of months in these cool boxes. And to know, like in a short period of time, people will actually be walking into each of these lands and checking out all the cool stuff in there. I'm like ridiculously excited. So thank you to Universal for sending this over. It's cool. And then on Wednesday is the day that we're going to learn all about the Ministry of Magic Harry Potter, when they're going to release some videos and tell everybody what's going on there, all the rides. You've probably seen all the rumors and everything by now, but hopefully we get some details about the actual attractions and everything. It'll be pretty darn cool. So anyway, here it is. Going to go back in the box until we find out somewhere to put it, I guess, in his room. How's that work? This should go in my room.
No.
It should go on your desk at work.
Yeah.
No.
Anyway, we're going to continue this fight. Thanks to Universal. Let us know what you think. Harry Potter World, Ministry of Magic, coming. Awesome. Peace out.